Okay, today we're going to talk about a spelling rule called the FLoSS rule. Before I go on though, I feel like I need to maybe add something to what I said the other day about vowels and consonants and why they're important. So knowing the difference between whether what you're hearing or saying is an open sound or a closed sound can help you eliminate or even figure out what sound you might be trying to spell or what letter you might be trying to spell. All right, so moving on, we're going to talk about the FLoSS rule. So FLoSS rule is called the FLoSS rule because of the word floss, but let me back out so you can see all these words I have written on the board. These are all real words. No irregular words here, although we are going to talk about a sound before an L sound in just a second. But notice something about these words. What do they have in common? They should have three things in common. If you think about it and you know what a syllable is, they should all be one-syllable words. They're all English words. They all end in a double consonant, and they all have a short vowel before the consonant sound that comes at the end of the word. All right, so knowing the FLoSS rule can help you with spelling in many ways. And here it is. So our FLoSS rule is, if it is a one-syllable, S for syllable, word, an English word is called a base word, with a short vowel, and it ends in the F sound, the ul sound, or the S sound, you're going to double the F, double the L, or double the S when you write it. And it's called the FLoSS rule because the word floss covers all of those bases. It's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound, and it has the letters F, L, and S in it. So it's a mnemonic device to help you remember F, L, or S. F, L, and S are the most common letters that double in the English language. You will see other letters, that double, but these are going to be the most frequent ones. So it kind of makes it easy to remember how to spell these words. All right, now I talked briefly about the A sound before the L sound. Notice in your mouth when you say words like hall, mall, when you say the ul sound and you really stretch out that word mal, you can hear the A saying ah. However, because your mouth has to go from saying an ah sound to an ul sound, it changes the A sound just a little bit and turns it into sounding a little bit more like an O sound or even a U sound. So, hall. It's really hard for your mouth to go from that A to an L very quickly without making a little bit of a change to that vowel sound. So words with the A, L, L can be a little more challenging to hear that A sound. So you might need to just work on memorizing those words. But as far as words like cross, floss, sass, class, you can hear the vowel sound there, and so it makes words like that a little easier to, they're phonetic, okay? All right. I hope you are getting something out of this. I will continue. I've got some other spelling lessons I want to show you. We'll talk more about things in the future. Have a good one.